Today I will destroy the train and try not to get grounded. Obo, why are you mad?
Look what you did to us. You destroyed the train.
We was going home from shopping.
And now we will call your dad about this.
No, 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 please don't call my parents.
It's too late.
Hello, are you Macusoper parents? He destroyed the train while we was trying to get home from shopping. He destroyed the train. Thanks for telling me, Mr. Hamilton. He'll be grounded. Hope you guys okay. Macusoper, you're in deep trouble. You're grounded for 8 more months.
You get no computer, movies, TV, video games, no fun, no YouTube, and more.
We will spank you now. Now go to your room now.
But Dad.
Go.
No, 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 no.